First, let's discuss traditional sprayers. Backpack and handheld sprayers have long been the go-to for small-scale applications, offering portability and flexibility. Knapsack sprayers provide higher capacity, ideal for medium-sized operations. These manual options have served farmers well, but advancements in technology have revolutionized the way we approach spraying. Enter tractor-mounted sprayers. Equipped with precision controls and high-capacity tanks, these machines cover large areas efficiently. Boom sprayers, attached to tractors, ensure even distribution of pesticides across expansive fields, optimizing resource utilization. But the real game changer lies in smart agriculture sprayers. These cutting-edge systems integrate advanced technology to revolutionize spraying practices. Precision application is the hallmark of smart sprayers, utilizing GPS and mapping systems to target specific areas with unparalleled accuracy. Variable rate application adjusts pesticide rates based on real-time data, optimizing effectiveness while minimizing environmental impact. Sensors and imaging technology, including drones and LiDAR systems, provide invaluable insights into crop health and pest infestations, guiding precise spraying decisions. Environmental monitoring and safety features mitigate risks, ensuring responsible and sustainable spraying practices. In summary, while traditional sprayers have their place, smart agriculture sprayers represent the future of farming. By harnessing advanced technology, these systems maximize efficiency, minimize waste, and promote environmental stewardship. Embrace the future of agriculture with smart sprayers, where innovation meets sustainability. Follow and subscribe Pesticide Info on Facebook and YouTube for more videos on pesticides.
you